Hi guys, today we're gonna make Egyptian dish called Hawawshi, made with ground beef. But we'll start to save some time from beginning. This, if you start like that, you're gonna make it so short. We're gonna have 1.5 cup of flour, half teaspoon of salt, half tablespoon sugar, and half tablespoon of yeast. And warm water. Just make them with your finger like this, just a bit. You don't need to use a whisk and to make them a little bit fluffy. Sift. And you add warm water, not hot water, just warm water. You add half of the cup and you see what's gonna happen. Use your fist when you do it, because you need to mix it very good. So use your fist like that. Look guys, we need to make it look like elastic a bit. Now we'll add 2 spoons of ghee or butter. I prefer ghee. And we'll mix it again. The ghee will help the dough to be like soft, and I will show you after when I mix it what's it gonna help for. You're gonna make it so thin if you want to. And you will do it like this. Take it all inside here. That's the most important thing to make it more raised. After you do that, this all wasn't down under with your finger. After you do like this, you close it and you got those parts like that, like no air inside. This is what I mean. And you keep it like this, and we will cover it for 10 minutes. And guys, one of the tricks too, it's better to make it rest fast if you need to do the meal fast. If you will prepare the oven, you can put it just on top to get a little heat. We need to be warm, not very hot, just warm. Warm will make it, instead of 10 minutes, will be 5 minutes. In the same time, until this dough with 5 minutes to raise, we will prepare baba ganoush. So we'll prepare this foil, aluminum paper, and we're gonna put this here. We're gonna wrap it, just because it's gonna release some water. It's gonna make mess in the oven. We need the skin to be burned. So guys, here is the ground beef, 1 pound. And we will add to the ground beef 1 teaspoon garlic powder, the same teaspoon chili, crushed chili, black pepper, the same, seasoned salt or salt, whatever you want, but only half spoon because we have here salty cucumber. And parsley, some parsley. Some people like the pickle in the side of the dish, but with this will work very good when you add it inside. Half piece of red pepper, half piece of green pepper, some leeks or green pepper, or green onion, and a small piece of red onion, and we'll mix it all together. And we'll make it like balls, 4 balls, because I think this will make 4 pieces with the dough. So if you're confused by the amount of the ball, like how weight, it's gonna be around 150 gram, 150, 175. We're gonna check this, what's going on. Wow, it's raised. So we're gonna make it 4 pieces. We're gonna cut it 4 cut. So guys, we'll have 4 balls here of meat, and we'll make it like 4 balls of dough too. So we'll put some flour in the table. Supposed to be no line, straight table is gonna be better. And then we're gonna do it by finger like that. Here guys, we will add this in one side. We're gonna put it in the middle in one side, and we'll make it just long a little bit to the edge, like this, and you cover, and from the edge you need to go like this, bend all over, like that. Use your finger, you close it. Just the edges. We'll cut this aluminum paper. We'll add some oil in it. And some oil on top of here. And we'll mix slowly oil here all over. If you would like more like shiny or style, this will be like look like good big, but you can add always eggs on top like with brush, but I don't want it. I don't like to do it. We'll go for another one. Look, when you add some oil, it will stretch with you more. And the edge, don't make the edge very thick. And we'll make another one for a different style. We'll make 2 different styles in Egypt. I will show you both of them. So here with this style, we will need the 2-piece one shot. And we got this in top. And the same way, we close it. After we close it, we press to press the meat to the edges. So it will be meat everywhere. If a little bit cut like that, you can fix it with a little piece of the edge. And you go back. And last part, you will just, to make sure it's close. And here guys, from the edge, now also the eggplant, we picked it, it's gonna be ready now by the time, so we save in time. Ooh, hot. We will put this 350 in the oven, the same when we pick the eggplant, the same temperature. So here the Hawawshi is gonna take like around 7 minutes. It depends the oven, different oven, different temperature, but around that much. And at the same time, for this 7 minutes, we'll prepare the baba ganoush. Let's do it. So here guys, after 7 minutes, maybe 6. Look at that. Ooh. So here it is. Because I add pickle inside, it's salty. I can add this inside too. It's gonna be more salt, but I add a little bit amount, and I wash the pickle before I add, so less salt. And you can add parmesan or mozzarella or cheddar, whatever on top. It's not original ingredient, but I like it that way. A little more cheesy. And we will add it to oven for just 1 minute to make the cheese melting. So guys, we're gonna have spoon. We take this line, still hot, and we're gonna open it like this. And we're gonna take the whole cooked part. No skin. We just turn it to get the smell, the smoked smell from it. So here guys, the eggplant, we'll make sure it's mixed, like no big pieces in it. Not very smooth, but not junk. So we're gonna mix the eggplant, and look, the part was outside, just close to the skin. It's dark, and this is the smoke taste came from it. So we will add 1 piece of hot pepper and 2 pieces of onion, of garlic. We add it just straight to it. We'll add a little bit of parsley. Some salt, some cumin, just pinch, and some black pepper, and some oil. Like 1 spoon of vinegar, and half piece of lemon. We'll mix that. And we're gonna have 3 slices of red onion, half of tomato. So we're gonna put some here in the plate for serving. And we will add some pomegranate. So we'll add some pomegranate in the middle. So we'll make another plate different style. Some people like it like that, and some people like it with some tahini. We'll make a little bit different. Me, I like it with tahini. And we'll add some oil on top. Look how that looked like. And watch this. The bread is very thin. I can't tell you guys, it's very good. Never tried Egyptian food? This is one of the popular dish. I feel like I'm going to Egypt tomorrow. This Papa Ganoush. But this is my lovely one. Love tahini. That's why I love this one more. Actually, it's both of them different. The tahini make them totally different. With kafta or kebab or Hawawshi or this kind of dish. Tahini or Papa Ganoush. Make it work. And here's some simple salad, just good to cut the vitamin from it. And this is kind of dry, just fresh when you eat. Guys, I have to go. I have big work to do. See you next video. Bye.